Hello, dear students. Welcome to your GK class again. I hope you all are fit and fine and following the guidelines of this pandemic, the COVID-19 guidelines. You are staying safe at home and you are not bothering your parents too much. Dear students, today we are going to start a topic which is actually uh, perfectly to be called a part of GK. GK means what? General knowledge क्या होता है? The things which are happening around us. To remain updated, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे आसपास में क्या क्या चीजें हो रही हैं which has just recently taken place. So in today's GK lecture, we will be discussing about the happenings that were being done yet taken place in December 2020 या happenings of January 2021. Today I will be discussing a topic of class 7th. It can be, of course, a part of your practice test 1 syllabus also for class 7th. The name of the topic is Current Affairs, International Awards and Honors. Fine. We will be covering page number 22, 23 and 24 of your GK textbook. We will be skipping the tables because tables are itself self-explanatory. हम लोग tables को skip करेंगे क्योंकि वो अपने आप में they are very informative. We will be just discussing the subjective portion. जो paragraph में आपकी book में दिया हुआ है उसको हम लोग discuss करेंगे. So let's start. What all happened in December 2020 and January 2021? Let's start with the Dhaka International Film Festival Award. Dhaka is a capital of Bangladesh, a country which is neighboring to us. 19th Dhaka International Film Festival Award. It was started on 16th January. In this film festival award, 226 films were broadcasted. These films were being taken from 73 different countries. अलग-अलग countries से films ली गई. Okay. In this, the film that received the award, one of the best film award, what was from Kyrgyzstan. The film was from Kyrgyzstan. The name of the film was Road to Eden. It was jointly made by two persons, by Becket Mukul and Dastan Zapper. They received the best film award. They were the directors of this film, Becket Mukul and Dastan Zapper. Okay, the name of the film was Road to Eden, and it was a Kyrgyzstan film. Okay, Kyrgyzstan is again a country which is in Asia. Okay, best film in panorama section. This award went to one of the film that was perhaps a Bangladeshi film. The name of the film was Unpunchash Batas by Mastood Hassan Ujal. Okay, he was the director of this film. नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी. अभी हम जिस कैटेगरी की बात करने जा रहे हैं अगली दोनों हेडिंग्स हमारी दे आर प्रेटी कॉमन, ओनली द डिफरेंस इज देयर इन द कंट्री नेम. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये शायद मालूम होगा कि द बेस्ट द हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड विच वी गिव इन इंडिया, हमारी इंडिया का, भारत का सबसे सर्वोच्च नागरिक पुरस्कार जो हम किसी एक इंडिविजुअल को देते हैं, द हाईएस्ट ऑनर विच वी गिव टू अ सिविलियन, इट्स नेम इज Bharat Ratna. Yes, the Bharat Ratna is the highest order award which we give to civilian of India. Same way, there are other such awards given by other such countries. हर country का एक अपना अपना title है जो वो अपने civilians को या maybe to the other peoples as well they give time to time. So we will be discussing one such award of France, that is French Order of Merit. ये French Order of Merit was given to a lady. The name of the lady was Professor Rohini Godbole. She has already received Padma Shri Award from Government of India. उनको already Padma Shri Award मिला हुआ है Government of India से. इनको ये award announce हुआ French Order of Merit 14th January 2021. Okay, she is an Indian physicist. This lady, fine, and she got this award in exploring more innovation in the field of course, science, and maintaining a good relation between India and France by those innovations. Okay, by those scientific innovations, she explored many good things which were better for France as well and India as well. She belonged to a very renowned institute of India, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. It's a very renowned institute of India, Indian Institute of Science. She is professor over there. Okay, so she was serving for physics department in that university, in that college. Now the next award is US Legi US Legion of Merit. This is a next award. ये USA से belong करता है. This is an American award. This award was announced by Donald Trump, the recent uh, president of India. Sorry, president of India, not it's president of USA. Now it's Joe Biden. Earlier it was Donald Trump. Donald Trump announced this award to the Prime Minister of India. What I was trying to say is, उन्होंने Prime Minister of India मिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी को इस टाइटल से सम्मानित किया, the US Legion of Merit. He announced this title to Mr. Narendra Modi on December 21st, 2020. Why? Because Narendra Modi, our PM, the country of our PM, worked very hard for the betterment of the diplomatic relationship between America and India, and he has launched many projects which were for the betterment of Americans, those who are living in India, and to the Indians, those who are living in America, for both the citizen of the nations. So that's why he received this honor of USA. We have such many more awards to discuss. Be with the video. I will be discussing it after a short while in the next page, in the same video. Keep watching it. Okay, dear students, let's resume the next headings on this pages. Before actually starting the new heading, which is written on the blackboard, let me make you clear. There are two headings related to sports prize of cricket, ICC Cricket Award and ATP awards. ICC awards are related to cricket and ATP awards are related to tennis players. So I am not discussing those awards in the video because the table is itself self-explanatory. आप table से जो उसमें names हैं, you have to just try to remember those names. There is not much to be explained. And cricket is a very popular game of India, as all you know. So almost each and every category, each and every things are understood easily. So now we are just discussing the main subjective portion. UNEP Champions of the Earth. This UNEP award, this award is being given to the people, those who have done some एक्स्ट्रा आउटस्टैंडिंग कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द सोसाइटी, जिन लोगों ने सोसाइटी में कोई डेवलपमेंट किया है, कोई चेंज लाया है, दे हैव चेंज द सोसाइटी, मे बी इन सोशल एक्सटेंट, मे बी इन साइंटिफिक एक्सटेंट, in any parameter, maybe in financial extent. So this award is given to the people who are actually in a leadership form, जिन्होंने अपनी सोसाइटी को लीड किया है, या अपने स्टेट को लीड किया है, या अपने कंट्री को लीड किया है, और अपनी कंट्री में अपनी प्लेस पे एक इनोवेशन लेकर आए हैं. वो दे बोट अ ड्रास्टिक चेंज फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द सोसाइटी. This awards were declared on December 15, 2020, and this year in 2020, 6 people were nominated for this award. Their names are Frank Bainimarama. He is in fact head of his country, Fiji, I think. He is a prime minister of Fiji, if I am not remembering it well. Other people are also leading their society. वो अपनी सोसाइटी में, अपनी जगह में किसी ना किसी चीज के head हैं. They are heading a project, or they are heading a part of a government or any such thing. Other names are Yakuba Swadogo, Nimonti Nenkuno, Fabian Lindarts, Mindy Luber, Robert D. Bullard. These are the 6 people those who have received this UNEP Champions of the Earth 2020. Means इन्होंने हमारे ग्लोब पर अपनी कंट्री के थ्रू एक ऐसा चेंज लाए हैं ये, जिससे इनके लोगों को, द पीपल दोज हु वर अटैच्ड टू देम, the people of their country, yeah, people of their society, they got a better life to live. They made earth more better place to live. Next entry, it's again related to environment. Goldman Environmental Prize 2020. This year this prize was given to Paul Santua of Myanmar from Asia region. ओके, एशिया रीजन के लिए ये प्राइज इनको दिया गया. इट इज बीइंग गिवन टू डिफरेंट रीजन्स, लाइक कंटिनेंट वाइज और मे बी बाय अदर पैरामीटर्स. दिस पर्सनैलिटी इज एन एनवायरमेंटल एक्टिविस्ट. इन्होंने अगेन दे हैव वर्कड फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ द नेचर, जैसे लाइक प्लांटिंग ट्रीज, या स्टॉपिंग इन कटिंग ऑफ ट्रीज, या रिमूविंग प्लास्टिक बैग्स. इस तरह की चीज़ें, इस तरह की सोशल सर्विस, जिससे कि हमारा एनवायरमेंट क्लीन हो, और एनवायरमेंट बिकम मोर हेल्थियर प्लेस टू लिव। इस तरह का कंट्रीब्यूशन इन्होंने अपने लोगों के लिए किया। फ्रॉम द प्लेस वेयर दिस पर्सनैलिटी बिलोंग्स टू, इन्होंने अपने लोगों को अवेयर किया फॉर मैनेजिंग द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस। सी ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द प्लेसेस ऑफ द अर्थ, अगर एक दो प्लेसेस को छोड़ दें तो सभी प्लेसेस पे नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस अवेलेबल हैं। नेचुरल रिसोर्सेस लाइक ट्रीज, coal, wind energy, solar energy, these are available everywhere on the every corner of the earth. It's just how to utilize them, उसको utilize कैसे किया जाए। तो this personality educated its people how to manage the natural resources. Okay, now next one, it's again a very popular scenario, टाइम पर्सन ऑफ द ईयर। नाउ व्हाट इज दिस टाइम एक्चुअली, पहले इस टाइम वाली चीज को समझ लेते हैं। दिस टाइम इज द नेम ऑफ अ मैगजीन, टाइम्स person of the year. Times is a very reputed magazine that is printed uh, annually. Okay, and it is being printed almost since hundreds years ago. इस magazine में they declare the person of the year annually. They produce an annual list. Okay, and this year they gave the title to Mr. Joe Biden, the president of USA, newly elected president of USA, and Kamala Harris, the vice president of USA. They are being declared as the Times Person of the Year. Okay, and this magazine is so popular कि इस magazine में अगर किसी का एक पिक भी आ जाता है, एक फोटो आ जाता है या कवर पेज पे, if the person is so lucky to be get a position on the cover page, then that person means that person is a very renowned figure of his or her society. इस मैगजीन में नाम आना ही अपने आप में इट्स अ वेरी मैटर ऑफ रेपुटेशन। फाइन, इट्स अ वेरी इन itself reputed magazine. Kamala Harris, as the name suggests, this Kamala Harris, the vice president of USA, her grand maternal parents or maybe grand paternal parents, they were indirectly or belonging to the country of India. That's why her name bit sounds at as if it's a name of a Indian citizen. Fine, the newly elected president of India. Now we have two more categories, two more award categories to be discussed. We will be discussing in the same video, so don't go anywhere. Please keep watching it. I will be just turning this next page, note of your book of just this particular blackboard which is visible to you. So keep watching it. I will be soon with two more subheadings in the same video. Okay, now my dear students, we are on the final winding up of our today's video category. We are on the last two headings of page number 23. Fine. Rabindranath Tagore Literary Prize 2020. Rabindranath Tagore was itself a legendary writer, composer, musician, and what not to say. वो अपने आप में he was a living legend. He was a भारत रत्न अवार्डी, ही वॉज ऑल्सो अ नोबेल प्राइज विनर, उन्हें नोबेल प्राइज भी के टाइटल से नवाजा गया। ओके, ही वॉज बीइंग एंटाइटल्ड एज अ नोबेल लोरेट। दिस prize of year 2020 was received by Mr. Raj Kamal Jha. He is editor-in-chief of Indian Express newspaper, a renowned English newspaper that comes daily. उसके मुख्य संपादक हैं ये राज कमल झा जी, and he received this prize for one of his novel, The City and the Sea. He wrote a novel, The City and the Sea. This novel was based on a case, a mishap that occurred on December 2012, a case with Nirbhaya. There was a girl who suffered from some atrocities in December 2012, that is also called as Nirbhaya Kand. उस पर आधारित इनका नोवेल है, एंड राजकमल झा जी रिसीव्ड दिस टाइटल on December 9, 2020. Fine. Now coming to the last entry of this page, Global Teacher Award. It's the teacher's job is pretty simple, as you all know, being a student, ki what all teacher has to do. But my dear students, teacher job is not so easy. It has become more and more challenging as the world is progressing. जैसे जैसे दुनिया प्रोग्रेस कर रही है, this task has become more demanding, more challenging. This Global Teacher Prize 2020 award was being grabbed by Ranjit Singh Disale. He is a government primary teacher in Solapur district of Maharashtra. He is a primary school teacher. He received this award on December 3rd, 2020, and he is the first Indian to win this title. ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड विद द प्राइज मनी ऑफ $1 million, और इंडियन करेंसी की अगर बात करें 7.4 crore rupees. Why did he got this prize? He worked as a teacher. He worked for the betterment of the girls which were not able to go to the school. Yeah, those who were coming to the school, he worked day and night round the clock for the betterment of those girls. Then only he was being eligible to get this prestigious award. The first Indian, इससे पहले किसी भारतीय को ग्लोबल टीचर प्राइज के अवार्ड से सुशोभित नहीं किया गया. इसी से आप अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं हाउ मच हाई स्टैंडर्ड दिस टीचर वुड बी. Our last category, that is on page number 24, there's a table of Nobel Prize. अब Nobel Prize के बारे में मैं क्या कहूँ? If I start speaking about Nobel Prize, the one lecture would be insufficient. We can continuously keep on discussing on Nobel Prize for more than an hour. But in order to have a brief discussion, a table is given on page number 24. Nobel Prize is the highest prestigious award of the world. Of course, there is no other prize which is more, attracting than Nobel Prize. Nobel Prize में there are many categories, 5 to 6 categories. Nobel Prize is given for the peace, शांति के लिए दिया जाता है, for the uh, efforts to bring the peace for the humanity. It is given in the field of economics, और ये साइंस के अलग अलग फील्ड के लिए भी दिया जाता है, मे बी फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और लाइफ साइंसेस. So that you can study from page number 24 table. You have to just learn the name and the award कि किसको किस चीज के लिए अवार्ड दिया गया. Okay, so that's it for the day, my dear student. That's it for today's video. I have tried to update you. I have tried to explain to you कि ये जो awards हैं वो किस किस कारण से किसको दिए गए हैं. I hope this effort would be, adding some more knowledge to your account, whatever you are having earlier, and we will cover again a more fruitful topic of GK in my upcoming video. So till then, be safe, stay safe at home. Jai Hind.